guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and not just any unboxing, a luxury unboxing. So I got these Givenchy, hopefully I'm saying it right. Yeah, Givenchy shoes, and I'm gonna unbox it with you. And if you want to see that, continue watching. So the box looks like this. It has a little black line. In the back it has a little symbol. And yeah, so when you open it, had a whole bunch of like papers. And I already took them out because I scotch guard the sneakers. Because when you scotch guard the sneakers get less dirty. And I'm pro that because it's worth a lot of money. So the shoes look like this. And it says Givenchy on it, Givenchy Paris. And they're like this. The back looks like that. Aren't they so pretty? And then the bottom. And oh my gosh. And the front. And then the insides look like this. Okay, so the description of this sneaker says urban street sneaker, white, black. So the description of the sneaker says urban street sneaker, white, black. And it says made in Portugal. So it has all these little black papers in it. It has it came in these two dust bags, so one for each sneaker. And it says Givenchy on it, and the symbols also in the back. I have the authenticity card that it comes with. Let me see if I can show you guys. See, it says made in Portugal. And I don't know what the heck this is. And I guess this is just like how to take care of it and stuff like that. So it's a little booklet that came in here. These are the sneakers. That's the front, those are the inside, the side, the back, and underneath. So I scotch guard these sneakers the same way I did my Tiffany and Clover's, and I would recommend that you scotch guard all your expensive stuff because you don't want it to get dirty. You know, the less damage that you put into the expensive stuff, the better. So scotch guard all your expensive stuff. And yeah, and especially these are really white, so you know how dirty they're gonna get, and I'm planning on wearing it all spring and summer long. So yeah, so these are the sneakers. I'm super excited for them, so I'm gonna try them on so you guys can see them. But these are pretty much it. And yeah, super excited. So that was it, guys. That was a video of the sneakers and the unboxing. The shoes are true to size, so just stick with your normal size. Look at the size chart. I don't want to tell you the size is too big because I don't want nobody coming back and leaving me angry comments. But for me, it fits me like true to size. I got my regular size that I normally get in everything. So yeah, so if you like videos like these, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, guys, soar like a butterfly.